Welcome to our channel Zama Cartoons.
Hello kids! Today we are going to learn some basic English words. These are very easy and fun. Let's begin.
Yay! Apple. Apple. Yay! Ball. Ball. Yay! Bag. Bag. Yay! Bus. Bus. Yay! Banana. Banana. Yay! Bird. Bird. Yay! Bed. Bed. Yay! Apple, ball, bag, bus, banana, bird, bed. Yay! Cup. Cup. Yay! Door. Door. Yay! Shoes. Shoes. Yay! Egg. Egg. Yay! Water. Water. Yay! Milk. Milk. Yay! Orange. Orange. Yay! Cup, door, shoes, egg, water, milk, orange. Yay! Mango. Mango. Yay! Fish. Fish. Yay! Tree. Tree. Yay! Car. Car. Yay! Toy. Toy. Yay! Box. Box. Yay! Cap. Cap. Yay! Mango. Fish. Tree. Car. Toy. Box. Cap. Yay! Star. Star. Yay! Moon. Moon. Yay! Sun. Sun. Yay! Dog. Dog. Yay! Cat. Cat. Yay! Camera. Camera. Yay! Robot. Robot. Yay! Star, moon, sun, dog, cat, camera, robot. Yay! Chair. Chair. Yay! Table. Table. Yay! Pen. Pen. Yay! Flower. Flower. Yay! Key. Key. Yay! Clock. Clock. Yay! Lamp. Lamp. Yay! Chair, table, pen, flower, key, clock. Yay! Shirt. Shirt. Yay! Paint. Paint. Yay! Watch. Watch. Yay! Comb. Comb. Yay! Mobile. Mobile. Yay! Laptop. Laptop. Yay! Bike. Bike. Yay! Shirt, paint, watch, comb, laptop, bike. Yay! Home. Home. Yay! Window. Window. Yay! Donut. Donut. Yay! Cake. Cake. Yay! Balloons. Balloons. Yay! Bread. Bread. Yay! Neef. Neef. Yay! Home, window, donut, cake, balloons, bread, knife. Yay! Cart. Cart. Yay!
Great job, kids! We have learned 50 easy English words today.
Yay! Subscribe our channel Zama Cartoons.